The HP Laserjet error code print failure indicates a problem with the printer or its ink system. This error can be caused by several factors, including paper jams, the printer being offline, or a clogged printhead. To resolve the issue, start by ensuring there are no paper jams, which can occur due to the use of incorrect paper or papers not being properly aligned in the holding tray. Remove any jammed papers from the rollers and arrange the papers correctly in the tray. Next, check if the printer is online by verifying communication between the printer and computer, and ensure the internet cable is secure and the router is on. Additionally, unclog the printheads by switching on the printer, letting the printhead move to the center, undocking the cartridges, moistening a lint-free cloth to wipe the metal contacts, and then returning the printheads to their dock. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix the printer failure error.